Shenzhen Suntech-MSKS Technology Company Limited, short called MSKS, located in Shenzhen, China, is a professional manufacturer that specializes in production and wholesale of electric scooters. The company was founded in 2014 and has been expanding ever since. Our factory passed ISO 9001 BSCI audit. Our products are produced from superior materials using modern technology and impressive automatic production lines. We take pride in our meticulous craftsmanship, innovative design, and individual approach to our customers' needs. Every year, we welcome a provincial safety inspection to avoid even the minimal risk on the production site. MSKS is a one big family that includes design, production, purchase, and sales departments. Our team never failed to demonstrate to our clients our capability to produce high-quality product in extremely tight time frame. As a result, we have built a strong, long-lasting, and trustworthy friendship with all our clients. Come from different parts of the world, from Europe, Latin, and North America to Asia. We offer strong technical support to all these customers, both in China and overseas. Our mission is to always strive for nothing but excellency in products quality, achieve better communication with the clients, and as a result, provide our customers with the opportunity of achieving their sales goals. Great quality, best communication. For customers, best sales. Our company's motto speaks for itself.